As the sun disappears behind Tokyo's skyline, another city begins to wake up. Welcome to Akihabara, or simply Akiba, one of Japan's most iconic neighborhoods, where bright neon lights, anime culture, and cutting-edge technology come together in one unforgettable place. But Akihabara wasn't always the entertainment district we know today. After World War II, this area became famous as a black market where people traded radios and electronic parts. As Japan rebuilt itself, Akihabara grew into the country's electric town, attracting engineers, hobbyists, and anyone fascinated by the latest technology. Decades later, it evolved once again, becoming the global capital of anime, manga, gaming, and pop culture. Walking here at night feels like stepping into another world. Even late in the evening, many electronic stores are still open, their colorful signs lighting up the streets. From the newest cameras and gaming gear to vintage electronics and collectibles, every corner offers something new to discover. Listen closely, and you'll hear another side of Akihabara. Street performers and idol groups often bring music to the sidewalks, creating a lively atmosphere that makes the entire district feel like an open-air stage. It's one of those places where technology and creativity exist side by side. As we continue this evening walk, notice how every street has its own personality. One alley is filled with arcades echoing with game sounds, another with anime shops packed floor to ceiling with figures and collectibles, while cafes and restaurants stay busy with both locals and travelers exploring the city after dark. Akihabara isn't just a shopping destination, it's a reflection of modern Japan. It tells the story of a neighborhood that transformed from post-war electronics markets into a worldwide symbol of innovation, entertainment, and imagination. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an anime fan, or simply someone who enjoys discovering unique places, Akihabara offers an experience unlike anywhere else. Thank you for joining me on this nighttime journey through Tokyo's electric town. If you enjoyed walking the streets of Akiba with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on our next adventure in Japan.